All right, so I'm a sucker for modular tool storage systems. I love them because they keep my shop organized, there's a spot for everything, and plus they just look really stinking cool. I like the idea of my workshop kind of looking like Tony Stark's garage, and in my opinion, modular storage systems help with that. In today's video, I'm testing out ToughBuilt StackTech. It's a newer modular storage system. This is literally my first experience with it, and I'm gonna give you my honest thoughts on what's awesome about it and what stinks about it. Let's go. Before we get going, I just want to give the disclaimer that ToughBuilt did not send me this. This is not a sponsored video. ToughBuilt has no idea that I'm making this video. I bought these with my own money, and I'm gonna give you my honest thoughts right now. Now, what I'm reviewing in this video is the StackTech rolling toolbox and the StackTech 3-drawer toolbox. StackTech has a lot of other products in their ecosystem, not only other toolboxes and organizers, but even accessories that you can put on these front corner rails. But I don't want to get ahead of myself. I'll talk about that in a second. Let's take a look at the rolling toolbox first. This is the ToughBuilt StackTech rolling toolbox. Let me give you a walk around of all the basic features. When you open up the toolbox after removing this really heavy duty latch, open it up, and you just basically have one giant container that can store lots of big stuff, power tools. You also have this little tray right here, nice for storing smaller stuff. And what's cool about this is you can put it in the left or the right side of your toolbox, but it won't slide out of position. So it kind of locks in either side that you install it with. There's also some metal reinforcing on this lid. I think that's really awesome. And you have a dust seal on this lid. This toolbox is waterproof and dust proof up to IP65. Basically what that means is if this toolbox gets in the rain, or let's say like a hose hits it, it's fine. Whatever's in the box is gonna stay dry. This toolbox is also gonna protect your stuff inside the box from sawdust, dirt, debris, things like that, because it has the seal. Really, really nice. On the sides, you have handles that lock in the upright position. In the back, you have the pull handle that, of course, you can adjust and lower. And then what's also really cool is on the back, you have these two little switches that you can pull up, and this whole handle pops out of the back. That's really nice if you want to put this in somewhere that's like, maybe this is too tall for your truck bed or something like that. It's nice to be able to take that carry handle off. On the back, you've got 9-inch diameter wheels. These are kind of like a hard rubber material. What's nice about these wheels, in my opinion, is the larger diameter, the easier it's going to be able to run over gravel, uneven surfaces, things like that. So even if you're taking this off-road, so to speak, it's going to be great with these wheels. On the front two corners, you have a full accessory rack, and then it also has like one attachment on the back two corners. These are metal, and you can basically add other ToughBuilt StackTech accessories right here on the corners. So you can make sure you have your system dialed in exactly how you want it. One more feature that's nice about this, it's not on all of the StackTech toolboxes, but it is on this one, is you've got a spot to place a lock. If you're using this at a job site and you want to make sure that your tools stay secure and don't walk off after the day is done, it's great that you have an option to place a combination lock right here on the side. Overall, this is something I would highly recommend to anyone who's wanting a very high-end modular storage system. Now, I'll also give you a quick walk around of this 3-drawer toolbox. It's pretty basic, but just a couple of cool things. You are getting at the top 9 different dividers, but you can take some of these dividers out and kind of customize this space to fit your exact needs. The middle drawer is identical, 9 different dividers, and then the bottom drawer, you've got 7 different spots to put all of your small parts. One thing that's different about this toolbox from the rolling toolbox is that there is no way to lock up these drawers. Unless I'm completely missing it, there's no way to keep these things where like someone at the job site can't get into it. That's different from Milwaukee Packout. Milwaukee Packout has this little bar that pulls out from the bottom. It locks at the top. You can lock that bar in position, keeping everything secure, making sure that nothing walks away, overnight. Another difference between this toolbox and the rolling toolbox is you have full accessory rails on all 4 corners. And if I didn't say this about the rolling toolbox, I'll say it here. These are metal, they're extremely well built, extremely high quality. Now, when it comes to stacking the StackTech, it is probably, of all the modular toolbox storage systems that I've used, the smoothest stacking and unstacking. You just drop it right on top of another StackTech toolbox. It clips right in. Then when you're ready to unlock it, you just move this trigger right here and you can lift it right off. That's really, really awesome. I will say these things are actually pretty heavy. Heavier than Packout, heavier than Ryobi Link. Hey, quick timeout from the review. I just wanted to let you know that when I purchased these toolboxes, I saved about $80 on my order, and that's because I found them when I was putting together my Tool Deals email list. If you would like to save money on tools, if you love just looking at power tools, woodworking tools, all kind of tools, you've got to join my email list. It's the first link down in the description. I promise I won't spam you. It's totally free to join. I'm just gonna send you the best tool deals that I'm seeing about 3 to 4 times a week. So if you're interested, I'd love to have you aboard. Sign up at the link below. Otherwise, let's keep on going with the review. Comparing these two toolboxes, which are basically direct competitors, you got the rolling StackTech versus the rolling Ryobi Link toolbox. I'm just gonna give you some of the pros and cons. Right off the bat, Ryobi Link, it's coming in at a cheaper price point. This is gonna be about half the price of this. So definitely a price point difference. Also, the Ryobi Link rolling toolbox is slightly bigger. It's about 1 inch wider than the StackTech system is. So obviously if this is wider, all of the other Ryobi Link toolboxes are gonna be about 1 inch wider. Things that are really similar, the pull handle, very, very similar on both of these. You've got metal components. This is how you unlock it to raise up the handle. However, one thing that's nice about StackTech is this entire contraption can be removed. With Ryobi Link, you really can't do that. I think the really major piece that separates StackTech from Ryobi Link is the build quality. You can just tell there's a different level of build quality to StackTech. I'm not even trying to throw shade at Ryobi Link. I have a lot of their stuff. I really like their stuff. I'm taking it to job sites. It's held up really, really well, but this is on another level. Even comparing StackTech to something like Milwaukee Packout, which honestly has been, in my opinion, the brand to beat when it comes to modular storage systems. I love Packout. Honestly, I still think the build quality of StackTech is better than Milwaukee Packout. And that's by a little bit. That's not by a lot. But I do think just some things that they do, like reinforced drawers, reinforced lids on their toolboxes, the feel of the plastic they're using, just a little bit higher quality. So I'd give the quality nod to StackTech. However, StackTech does not have as many accessories in their ecosystem as Milwaukee Packout does. So that's another thing that you have to weigh as you're deciding which ecosystem you want to get into. If you're simply looking for the toughest, best made toolboxes, and you just need the basics, you don't need all the little accessories and coffee mugs that attach to things, but you just want rolling toolboxes, toolboxes with drawers, small parts organizers, I do believe right now of the products that I've tested, StackTech is the best modular storage system on the market. That is saying a lot because this is coming from someone who thinks that Ryobi Link is really solid. This is coming from someone who is an absolute Milwaukee Packout fanboy. But after testing these products, I do believe they are the best on the market. If you don't agree with me, let me know. But I think once you try this, there's not going to be going back. Maybe you're not sold on ToughBuilt. You're like, I don't know. I want to see what some other modular tool storage systems have to offer. Then check out one of these videos. I talk about Ryobi Link and Milwaukee Packout right in these videos. Love to see you right up here.